In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable 120 FPS on your PS5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to enhance your gaming experience with higher FPS, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Navigate to Settings on your PS5. Go to Saved Data and Game App Settings. Under Game Presets, select Performance Modes and ensure it's activated. Next, go to Screen and Video, Video Output. Enable the 120 Hz output setting. Here are 4 essential points to note. Ensure your display supports 120 Hz refresh rate for viewing 120 FPS. Use an HDMI 2.1 cable or the original cable provided with your PS5. Connect to the HDMI 1 port for optimal performance. Check your TV or monitor settings to enable the HDMI 2.1 output. Following these steps will help you achieve smoother gameplay with 120 FPS on compatible displays. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions for future videos, please comment down below. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. For additional tips and tutorials, visit mediamagnetguide.com.